Hi, I'm Matt Lovelace. I wrote Political Analysis, a guide to data and statistics. My aim for this book was to provide two key innovations in teaching statistics to undergraduates and graduate students in the social sciences. The first is a more intuitive approach, in which conceptual comprehension, what it is we want to know, why we want to know it, leads us both more easily and directly to how we go about finding out. The second is to widen the examples and the questions in the book to a range of political science topics in different geographical areas, and crucially, using real-world data. Nearly all the examples in the book are from publicly available data sources. I wanted you to be able to continue and expand on the examples in the book. That's why we've included the data sets with additional variables with the textbook. Let me show you how that works. I'm using Stata, but you can use any statistical program that you like. This is an example from the book from page 208, where we look at corruption and the voice and accountability. You can see that I'm reproducing the data we have in the book. One of the things we can do with this data set that's included is that you can decide to change which data to use. This is a great way to teach students about the importance of variables and selection of variables. The next variable is, we can talk about how variables are constructed. One of the things you'll see is that the line goes the other way. This is because corruption's indexes goes the other way. This is important for talking about how variables are constructed. Another different approach, for example, might be looking at measures to control corruption rather than simply measures of corruption itself. This gives us a chance to talk about the conceptualization of these variables and how they're related. And finally, we can look something a little bit more secondary, looking at media corruption, for example, and how that relates to voice and accountability. In this way, these different variables allow us to expand on the examples that are in the book and come up with our own examples. Well, I hope this has helped you understand the aim of this textbook. I've been teaching this course for many years, and the details in this book, such as examples and questions with real data for instructors, not only to use but to build on, has been an attempt to scratch an itch I've had with other textbooks for a long time. Thank you for your time and patience.